In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Asana tasks via any email. If you're someone who's constantly on the move, or if you find yourself frequently managing tasks through email, this feature is ideal for you. It allows you to seamlessly integrate your email communications straight into your Asana tasks, saving you time and keeping your workflow organized. So, let's dive in and explore how you can harness this efficient integration. Start by opening your Asana project. Once you're there, locate the caret icon next to the project title name. It's a small triangle icon that points downwards, and clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Move your cursor over to the Import option. As soon as it highlights, you'll want to select Email from the drop-down. This will open a new window on your screen, presenting a unique email address affiliated with your project. What makes this feature particularly powerful is that you can now send an email to this Asana-generated address, and it will automatically create tasks within your project. The contents of your email will determine the details of these tasks, providing a seamless link between your email application and Asana. It's important to remember that the subject of the email will serve as the task name, so make sure you craft it to clearly convey the purpose of the task. Next, the body of your email will populate the task description. This is your opportunity to provide detailed information, instructions, or context for the task at hand. Whether it's a brief summary or extensive guidelines, whatever you place here will directly translate into the task's description, ensuring your team has the necessary details to get started. Additionally, if your email includes any attachments, these will be added to the task as project attachments. This means that important documents, images, or other files related to your tasks are seamlessly included and conveniently accessed from within Asana, removing the hassle of uploading them separately. Another great feature here is the ability to CC teammates on your email. By adding them in the CC field, you automatically designate them as task collaborators in Asana. This collaborativeness ensures everyone tagged is informed, and any dialogue pertaining to the task is centralized within Asana. And that's it. You've effectively integrated your email with Asana for optimal task management. This feature not only enhances efficiency by saving you the time of manually entering tasks into Asana, but it also ensures that nothing falls through the cracks as everything is tracked and accounted for within your project. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and now you can make the most of your email to task feature in Asana. Thanks for watching, and happy tasking.